Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today we have to start lesson number 20. The name of the lesson is Unity in Diversity. In this lesson, we will learn about the national symbols which bind us together, the symbol and their importance. Our country, India, is the 7th largest country in the world. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of our country. There are a few things that bind this beautiful country together. National symbols. Our national symbols stand for our country, India. When we see these symbols, we know that they represent India. The national flag, the national anthem, and the national emblem are our main symbols. Beside these, we have national animal, national bird, national flower, and a national song. National flag. The national flag is the symbol of our freedom and unity. It is our duty to respect, honor, and take care of it. The national flag of India is based on the Swaraj flag designed by Pingali Venkaiah. The Indian flag is a rectangular tricolor with deep saffron at the top, which symbolizes the sacrifice and valor. White in the middle symbolizes peace, and green at the bottom symbolizes prosperity. In the center is a navy blue wheel, the Ashoka Chakra. This has been taken from the Ashoka pillar and is the symbol of Dharma. We need to follow some rules to hoist tricolor. The saffron band has to be on the top and green at the bottom. No other flag can be placed over and above our national flag. The flag has to be brought down at sunset, folded and put away properly. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The song had 5 stanzas, but the first one was chosen to be our national anthem. The anthem is also a symbol of unity. We sing it on important occasions like Independence Day as a mark of respect. We must stand at attention whenever the anthem is being sung. National emblem. When you look at a rupee, what do you notice? The symbol with lions. Well, this is our national emblem. We find it on all currency notes, coins and papers of the government. It is the official seal of the government. It was taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka the Great. It was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic. Forming an integral part of the emblem is the motto inscribed below in Devanagari script, and that is Satyameva Jayate. Truth alone triumphs. We have some other symbols also. We have a national song which is Vande Mataram, and Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Vande Mataram was sung by Tagore in 1896 during the session of the Indian National Congress. Let's know about the other symbols which are related to all of us. Our national flower is Indian lotus. Our national fruit is mango. National animal is Bengal tiger. National river is Ganga. National tree is Indian banyan. And national bird is Indian peacock. The national currency is Indian rupees. The symbol which we use nowadays was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. We should be proud of all these symbols and respect them. They show that India is a big and beautiful country. They make us feel proud to be Indians. They bring unity in diversity. That's all for today. I will be back with the exercises of this lesson tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye-bye.